Hello, friends. Welcome back to another session of my crypto predictions and trading signals. Today is the third it's the 3rd of September. So we got another green day for Bitcoin, but it's going down already. I was surprised by these last 3 days, especially the second and today going green because I was expecting a correction at least for today, maybe. But yeah, this is obviously going to crash hard eventually. Okay, we have been testing this support zone very strongly, but it's going to lose that. I say that because we got several indicators for a correction. We got the weekly trends. Both of these 2 weeks are in red, so obviously this will have to go down in order to actually qualify for a range in range. For a week in range or correction, we have to drop all the way down this level. Okay, so a drop of around 3% will suffice in order to qualify those requirements for the prediction. But yeah, it's going to go possibly much lower because we have red days all around. For example, 7, 8, and 9, all of them in red. Also supported by the weekly trend of the next week, the week that's coming up, and we also see some other patterns. And talking about other things, I am developing an indicator that will help, especially for the people who don't understand the charts. Despite my many attempts at trying to point out the tutorial for all the new people, I still get people that don't know how to read them. And that's not their fault in the sense that maybe I can try and do something that can clear that up for many other people. And that's exactly what I'm doing. I'm working, I'm already developing some crazy indicators. I will not share them publicly, but I will give the signals maybe in the future for a trading group, a private trading group. I can even go on a beta test on public for many people. But yeah, I have to test that method. I have to test that indicator and the signals. But so far, they look really well, like really, really well. But yeah, I still need to do some more details regarding that. It's coming, guys. It's coming, but it will take some time. But when it does happen, it will eventually lead to this channel getting kind of change of format. Okay, the charts will still be available to those who request them, but I'm especially leaning towards more like signals because that's eventually what the people request. Some people really don't have any time to actually read the charts, and I understand that. So, what better way to actually uh, make that happen for those people than just give the plain signals, and they will be very profitable signals indeed. So yeah, that's basically what we got for Bitcoin. Before I also continue with the other chart, I have to tell you, because I have been very busy doing other projects and that work and many other stuff lately, my workload has increased significantly. So I don't have the Ethereum chart ready yet. I'll have to do that for Sunday or the next week. So you'll have to wait a little bit more. But yeah, it's still very profitable to just trade Bitcoin. It's been doing really good. Uh, Again, with the signals that I got, man, I can see lots of profits coming. But yeah, let's keep this kind of short and just go straight to the point with the next chart, IOTA. So we got IOTA has been basically in range for the last 3 days. Okay, you can see that this is around the 1st of September. This is where it kind of finishes. So not so much in range as I thought, but it was a very volatile day with a big long and a big short afterwards. Now the 2nd of September is a complete range. That's what I can see. And the third, which is around right here, starts the position and it's currently at right there. Let's see. Try to measure this around not even 1%. So yeah, very much in range all of these 3 days. Um, this is what the chart actually showed. with the circles, remember that yellow circles are range or volatility. In this case, the first was a volatile range, but the others were kind of more in range, even though they still provided some good opportunities for some profits here and there. So I assume that the chart will try to, or rather, will adapt to the Bitcoin weekly prediction. So maybe that stands because, for example, I don't see any green circles for the next days. We do have a green box from the 5 to the 6. So maybe one of these days, IOTA can outperform Bitcoin or at least compete to that level. But yeah, I see the 7 just like Bitcoin fully in red. Well, Bitcoin had, yeah, fully in red for Bitcoin. So possibly that day is going to be a very big drop. But yeah, guys, that's basically all I have for you. You'll get no more signals the next video. So don't you worry about that. So just hit the like, hit the comment, subscribe, all of that, and support the channel. Keep it going, guys, and I'll see you guys next time. Take care.